Hello guys, my name is James and we are here today for another unboxing of the Philips Sonicare. And this should do it. Now I can unbox this. I have a nice welcome letter over here. Welcome, bienvenue from Philips. Then once you pull it off like this, you have some important warnings about it takes up to 24 hours to charge. I don't know why it's a warning, but who knows? I've been warned. You have been warned. It's the toothbrush itself. It looks pretty high-end to me. So yeah. Oh, it's already on. Just pressing on and then clean. It doesn't work when it's in this way, so yeah. You see, so you have here the levels and it goes away, so it's clean right now. It's white, it's gun hilt, it's deep clean, tongue care and clean. Clean is the default, as you can see, and it has all the options right now. Let's see what's cracking. Whoa, we get some headers. I now see why it costs a bit more, because you get the different heads. I believe this is the tongue care, so it does actually much more than just clean your teeth. It gives you the whole different solutions. So let's see, what do we have here? We have, looks how very high end, although over here it's from plastic outside, but the interior seems to be metal. So yeah, let's get cracking. What do we get here? So okay, also get some kind of glass components over here. Looks like a mug, a regular mug. Then let's see what we have here. Make some room for another unboxing. It's the Philips box. How does it work? Oh, so it's nice little box where you can fit in the toothbrush. It feels like here, I believe. Yep, and it feels like there. Nice little toothbrush. And I believe this is the charging point. Is it wireless charging? Would be awesome, wouldn't it? To have also a wireless charging stand. I believe it's wireless, if I'm not mistaken. Could it be? Could it be? Yes, it is, guys. It's a wireless charging point. Very interesting. I'm very keen. I think I'm gonna like it. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, you also get some Philips Sonicare tongue spray. I don't know. I think you can use this separately, but it's not in combination with this product. But yeah, that's it. That's what you get. So yeah, we have unboxed this product. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave the comments down below. Would you get this kind of toothbrush, or would you rather stick to the old? And let me know in the comments below. See you next time. Bye.